Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to create a circular image or a profile photo in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to your website built using Hostinger website builder, click on this edit website button. This is my website inside Hostinger website builder, and to create a circular photo or a profile photo in this website builder, it's simple. First, let's add a face photo. To do this, click on add element, drag and drop this image element like that. Then click on the photo you just dragged and hit this edit image button. Here, go to the shape, or before that, let's replace this image with a person face, with a photo, person face photo. Let's say this is our profile photo, add to image. Now click on add image again and go to shape or the shape tab and select this circular shape. As you see, it was automatically applied on this person photo. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Now don't forget to update your website and let's view our website live. Scroll down. And this is how to create a circular image or a profile photo in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.